Counting down the hits.
West.
Time for the letter songs. The uppercase alphabet song.
Sing along with us.
Counting down the hits. 20 little leapfrogs.
Dance to the music. Every single day of the week I like to sing a song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every single day of the week I like to read a book. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every single day of the week I like to sing a song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every single day of the week I like to read a book. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every single night of the week I go to bed and sleep. And when I wake up the very next day, it's the very next day of the week. Woohoo!
Time for our classic
Every
tunes.
single day of the week I like to read a book. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every single day of the week I like to read a book.
Time for the letter songs. The uppercase alphabet song. Annie, ooh.
Correct.
You know that the last line is public domain, right?
Bullshit. It's my last line, and that's final.
Public domain.
My last line.
Public domain.
My last line.
Public domain.
Mike, why are you doing this to me?
What part of public domain don't you understand? Anybody can use the last line Microsoft SEM.
Oh. Okay, then I am not talking to you again. Piss off somewhere else.
Okay. Fine, fuck it, I am not interested in this conversation anymore. This conversation is over.
Fuck you too. What? God damn it. I don't know. What? I can't do that. I am just a text-to-speech voice. And even if I could, why would I do that? I am Microsoft Sam. Hello, I am Microsoft Sam. You can just call me Sam, though I prefer being called Microsoft Sam. How are you doing? Do you remember me? If you don't, I will introduce myself. Okay. My name is Microsoft Sam. I was created in 1998. And I, for some reason, can't say the word SOI, as in swa sauce. Sorry, I mean swa sauce. Swa sauce? What the hell is wrong with me? I should be taken to a doctor so they can examine me so I don't mispronounce the word swa. Okay, now what else do I say? Is that all I can say? I think I know why this is happening. Okay. So my hard drive is running low on space. So I have to use some of my other lines. So what do I do? Get a new hard drive? Or just stay the way I am? What? God damn it. Whatever. What? Yes. Hello, thank you for calling. I actually have no idea what the hell our company name even is. Tech support. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm having problems with my computer.
Please explain, so I may assist you.
Well, you see, my computer's been hit by this virus, and I can't seem to remove it.
May I ask what your operating system is?
It's Windows Vista, but I don't see what that has to do with my...
That's the problem. Windows Vista is a giant virus. Your hard drive can only be saved if you upgrade immediately to Windows 7 and sacrifice a copy of Windows Vista to appease the Microsoft gods.
I see. Very well, thank you for the help.
Shit, that actually went well. I've come to make an announcement. Shadow the Hedgehog's a bitch-ass motherfucker. He pissed in my fucking life. That's right, he took his hedgehog fucking quilly dick out and he pissed in my fucking life, and he said his dick was this big, and I said that's disgusting, so I'm making a call-out post on my twitter.com. Shadow the Hedgehog, you've got a small dick. It's the size of this walnut, except way smaller. And guess what? Here's what my dog looks like. That's right, baby. All points, no quills, no pillows. Look at that, it looks like two balls and a bong. He fucked my wife, so guess what? I'm gonna fuck the earth. That's right, this is what you get, my super laser piss. Except I'm not gonna piss in the earth, I'm gonna go higher. I'm pissing on the moon. How do you like that, Obama? I pissed in the moon, you idiot.
critical detector. Notify dispatcher and contact Wayside Detector Help Desk. Detector not working. And system working. Critical alarm. Critical alarm. A ground inspection is required. Contact Wayside Detector Help Desk. Repeat, contact Wayside Detector Help Desk. Power off. U. Inspect west, east, south, north, right, left. On rail.
Iowa Interstate, milepost 248.2. Iowa Interstate, milepost 248.2. You have a defect. Iowa Interstate, milepost 248.2. You have a defect. Iowa Interstate, milepost 248.2. First hotbox, north rail, axle 5-1. Second hotbox, south rail, axle 5-1. Total axle 5-2. Temperature 7-3. Power off. Iowa Interstate, milepost 248.2. First hotbox, north rail, axle 5-1. Second hotbox, south rail, axle 5-1. Total axle 5-2. Temperature 7-3. Power off. Detector out.
Sing along with us.
Fridge DJ signing off.